everybody? That was a little bit extra, but I got something for y'all today. Somebody challenged me, so I'm going to take on the challenge and ask that they only have matte top coat and they want the nails to be shiny. So that's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, let's get rid of this. Okay, I say that to say, alright, we're ready for the demo. So these are the nails. So one of the nails I'm actually going to do matted and the others I'm going to do normally. So I'll get my matte top coat. I'm just going to apply it to the nail. Because that's what she says she has, so we're going to work off that also. Alright, let's cure it. Okay, one of the nail is matted. So we're going to need a variety of files. So this is 180, this is 320, and this is 240. The one that you might get closest to is the 180 grit. So when I finish filing, before going on with the buffing or anything, I'll usually go in with a softer file to remove the grits out of the nail. So we're just going to remove that. The majority of the nails, or all the nails, are somewhat smooth. So now I'm going in with a buffing block. You have different variations. This one is quite rough, while at the same time, this one is a bit on the smooth side. So you can eliminate the 180 file and go in with a rough file. It tends to smooth out the nail pretty well. But if you don't have a rough file, then you can go in with your 180. So I'm going in with a smoother buffing block, and I will smooth this to my hard content. Okay, I'm going to smooth it. So we're going to take a smooth buffer next, very smooth, so there's no grit like the others, very smooth. Grit, because we're literally going to buff to shine. That's what we're going to do. So to do this, I'm going in with some cuticle oil to help me. I'm just going to apply some over the nail like that. And I think I'll do the same. So the next step is to just shine, buff it until you can see your teeth, your face literally in it. See there? Whoa. Whoa. Buff, guys. Buff. Look at that, guys. No top coat. Why? Okay. Interesting. Very interesting. I just do it on the matte nail. We're doing the same concept, applying the cuticle oil on it and then going with the buffer. Lord. Guys, I'm tired. Yeah, we're just demonstrating, you know, what it would look like if matte was already on the nail, and I thought it would have not been a problem, but it's taken away from the shininess of the nail when you could just, after filing, doing everything, buffing smoothly, like ensure that there's no grit in the nail, and then you're going with your smoothest buffer. Like, this is a buffer. Ensure it's smooth both sides and just buff it. It's going to take a lot out of you, let me tell you, a lot of manpower right here. And we're just going to shine the nails. This is the nail that I do not put any matte top coat on. Loving it. So let me do it to all the rest of the nail and come back. Alright. This is a buffing tool. So we're going to test this out. I'm going to apply some Topcoat oil onto the nail. And rub it in. We're going to use the tool to see if it works. Guys, I don't know what's happening. I don't know why that blue stuff coming off on the nail. Okay, that's nothing for me. It is shining a nail, to be honest. Yeah, it is, but it's taking forever for me. See, it's shining a nail. So let me just go back in with the manual stuff and just shine the nail and come back. Okay, so I got a decent shine. The buffer is going, so I need to get one that is more ideal, but it definitely worked. It definitely worked, even though it's not a shine. I'm guessing if you get the proper buffer, it would be gorgeous, magnificent. So I'm not going to stress out my poor big thumb. I'm just going to top coat that, and I'm just going to wash the nails, come back, top coat, and oil the rest of the nails. So see you shortly. So this is after washing the nails. This is a thumb that has nothing on it, and this is the nails, especially these two. It works. It works. This is for if you run out of top coat, run out of stuff. This is a method. Even though it's going to take a lot out of you, this is a method. So we're going to compare it. So this is the top coat nail, and this is the buffed nail. Not bad. Not bad. This is the one that was done best, by the way. So yes, and you see the shine don't go away or anything. So yeah, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Just all them cuticles. Just add it all over the nail. Oh, child. Like that. Nobody will know. Nobody gonna know. Nobody will know. Who's gonna know? Who gonna know? Who gonna know? Very impressed. I'll definitely try this again. Not bad. When I have a proper buffing tool. Not bad at all. So if you like videos like these, definitely subscribe. Want to see me do other things, definitely suggest it. I'm open for to testing all of these things, to be honest. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, follow me on all my socials, that's Instagram and TikTok at Bear Beauty Services, and I'll see you guys in the next video.